Looking for the perfect surgery recovery suits? Here's what you need to know. The Kuoser Recovery Suit is making waves. And here's why. Perfect for anyone who wants dog recovery suit size guide. XS. Back. 8. 3 to 11. 4 inches. Weight. 4 to 7 pounds. S. Back. 11. 4 to 13. 4 inches. Weight. 7 to 15 pounds. M. Back. 13. 4 to 16. 1 inch. Weight. 14 to 25 pounds. L. Back. 16. 1 to 20. 1 inch. Weight. 23 to 48 pounds. XL. Back. 20. 1 to 24. 8 inches. Weight. 42 to 75 pounds. XXL. Back. 24. 8 to 29. 5 inches. Weight. 70 plus lb. Our XS and S sizes are suitable for cats. Designed to help you, patented product for pet recovery. Crafted from high quality, soft, and breathable fabric, this dog bodysuit is elastic and durable, providing a comfortable wearing experience for your canine companion during the recovery period. Great choice if you need cone alternative. Say farewell to the cone of shame. Kuoser Dog Onesie serves as an excellent alternative, helping your pet's abdominal wounds and enhancing mobility while preventing them from licking their wounds. If you want to check it out, I've put a link in the description with the current price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.